Hey gamers! Ready to dive into the best free games on Poki's official website? We've got the top 5 picks that 50 million monthly players are obsessed with. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the hottest gaming news. Let's jump into these addicting Poki games. Poki's website is a treasure trove of free, thrilling games you can play on any device. No downloads needed. From Subway Surfers to Candy Crush Saga, we've handpicked the top 5 Poki games you need to try in 2025. With over 50 million players a month, these are pure fun. Ready for the list? Keep watching. Number 5. Subway Surfers. Dash as Jake, a coin-stealing thief, a dodging trains, and a pesky cop with his dog. Its fast-paced gameplay and colorful characters make it a mobile classic, now rocking Poki. Number 4. Candy Crush Saga. Match colorful candies in this addictive tile matching puzzle. More matches, bigger crushes, and vibrant splashes lead you to sweet victory. It's simple, but impossible to put down. Number 3. Angry Birds. These feisty birds are back, slingshotting to protect their eggs from green pigs. With a movie-inspired legacy, it's a satisfying hit every time you nail those pigs. Number 2. Master Chess. Face off in player versus player or CPU matches with stunning graphics and a 10-second move timer for extra thrill. It's chess with a fast-paced twist, perfect for strategy fans. Number 1. 2048. Slide tiles to combine them in this brain-bending puzzle. Merge to create bigger tiles and rack up points. It's deceptively simple and totally addicting. Poki's free-to-play model and massive game library make it a go-to for casual gamers worldwide. No downloads, no cost, just jump in on your phone, tablet, or PC. These top games are perfect for quick sessions or all-day binges. With 50 million players, you're joining a global party. Head to Poki.com to try these games today. Whether you're dodging trains in Subway Surfers or mastering 2048, there's endless fun waiting. What's your top Poki pick? And how far have you gotten? Drop your faves and high scores below. That's our top 5 Poki games you need to play in 2025. Are you hooked on Subway Surfers? Or is 2048 your vibe? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you love this list, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more gaming news.